guys, how are you today? Today we are starting a new unit in our books, Unit 5, My Free Time. So to start this unit, we are going to talk about drinks and food that you usually eat during your weekdays or on the weekends maybe. So we are going to start learning some vocabulary, okay? So pay attention. The first of all is the importance of this unit. So as you can see, it's in Spanish, so you don't get confused. So let me read it, okay? En sus actividades diarias van a hablar sobre sus hábitos alimenticios. En esta situación, el uso del present simple tense les ayudará a describir lo que suelen comer o beber durante el día. And at the end of this lesson, al final de esta sesión, los alumnos identifican los alimentos y bebidas correspondientes a cada momento del día. So in the morning, at noon, at the evening, indican si son buenos o malos para su salud. Vamos a ver sobre sus hábitos alimenticios, ¿ok? So tell me, do you drink a lot of coffee? How do I answer this question? Remember, do you drink a lot of coffee? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Why? Because I like coffee. No, I don't. I hate coffee. I hate coffee. So tell me, how many parts of the day do we know? The mornings, the afternoon, at night, right? So how many meals of the day we eat? So the meals of the day that we are going to learn today are breakfast. We usually eat breakfast before starting school or university or work, maybe, in the morning, right? Then we have lunch, that is usually at 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. or at noon. Then we have dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day. We usually eat it at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the evening. And between each meal, we sometimes eat a little something like snacks. Maybe a snack can be a fruit, or can be maybe a candy. So remember, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So tell me, what about these pictures? What about picture number 1? It belongs to breakfast, it belongs to dinner, it belongs to lunch or snacks. What about picture number 2? I think it belongs to, but you have to tell me, okay? You can do this now. Try to identify. I'm going to give you 40 seconds to do it, and then I am going to tell you the answers, okay? So, go. Look at the pictures and write the numbers in the clouds, okay? Don't get confused. Look everything. Look the drinks. Look the food. It's very easy, really. Keep going. You can do it. Keep going. Okay? Did you finish? Have you finished? Not yet? I have to wait a little bit longer. Okay, 10 more seconds. Very well. Okay, so number 1. Number 1 is lunch. Number 2 is breakfast, as well as number 3. Number 4 is dinner, that we usually eat on Friday, maybe Friday, when the after office. Always we go to a restaurant and we eat something a little bit different. Number 5 are our favorite snacks. 6 is lunch. 7, bacon, eggs, toast. Breakfast. 8 is dinner too. Okay, no, every day we don't drink a beer, but we usually do, right? On the weekends maybe. And 9, snacks. Good. Number 10 is lunch. Okay, very good. If you have all of this correct, excellent. Then we have some other vocabulary about food. Remember the pictures? In the picture we have some food items. For example, we have eggs, beans, vegetables like onions, tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, and maybe cucumbers, celery. We have bread, delicious bread, right? Cheese, we have cheese or meat like chicken, fish, or beef, pork, and fruit. We have many fruits, right? Oranges, grapes, apples, uh, banana, pears. Let's continue. And drinks, we usually drink what? We usually drink coffee. I personally love coffee. We usually drink milk or soft drinks, tea, and orange juice. Remember I told you that this unit we are going to talk a lot? So, here we have a question. Which food and drinks are good or bad for you? So let's check, okay? We have in the food items, eggs. What about eggs? Are eggs good or bad for you? What do you think? How can you answer? You can answer like this. I think eggs are good for me because eggs give us proteins. Or maybe you don't like eggs, right? You can say, I don't like eggs. I think eggs are bad for me or for you because they don't give us, I don't know, enough energy. Okay? You have to do this with all the food items that we check. The same as the drinks, okay? The same as the drinks. So we have the coffee, milk. We have coffee, milk. So what about soft drinks? Do you like Pepsi? Is Pepsi good or bad for you? Do you like tea? So do you like coffee? For example, I think coffee is excellent for our health. It gives us energy. But some people don't like coffee. What about you? What do you think? Remember to answer. I think milk is good for my health or bad for my health because, and you have to give a reason. Don't forget that, okay? So, we have see here some questions for you. First, match the pictures with the correct word. Is easy for you? Difficult? I'm going to give you 10 seconds, okay? Excellent. Now, let's continue. Match the pictures with the correct word. Give you 10 seconds again. Good. How you did it? Easy or difficult? And we have some metacognitive questions, class. And in this part, we are going to talk in Spanish so you can understand better, okay? Answer, please. ¿Qué aprendiste en esta sesión? ¿Qué aprendimos en esta sesión? You can answer this in the comments, okay? Pueden responder a esto en los comentarios del video. ¿Cómo lo aprendiste? How did you learn it? ¿Qué estrategias puedes usar para recordar el vocabulario? What strategies can you use to remember the vocabulary? ¿Por qué es importante lo que hemos visto en esta sesión? What is the importance of this lesson? Well, when you finish writing your answers, I am going to read them all. Cuando terminen de responder en los comentarios de este video, voy a leerlas todas y I'm going to give you a feedback, okay? So, this is all for today. Please remember to study and to practice. Don't forget to write your answers, okay? Bye! Take care!